Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to turn off your automatic brightness for your iPhone or iPad on iOS 15. Now the process to do this is by going to Settings, then tapping on Accessibility. Now tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll down and find Auto Brightness. By default, it is turned on. With auto brightness enabled, the iPhone will increase and decrease the brightness according to the ambient light condition you're in. If you turn it off, it may affect the battery life and the display performance. Toggle the switch to the left and it should be switched off. So if you're in a bright sunlight or in a dark place, the auto brightness won't adjust as per the ambient condition. To do this while auto brightness is off, you need to go into your control center and then adjust your screen brightness. If you guys have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you found this useful, and most important thing, hit that subscribe button as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.